Hi, this morning I got a nice surprise. The table of content functionality is ready to test, so I couldn't wait to put it into a small demo for everybody to enjoy. So this is part of our winter release, will be coming out in a couple of weeks. As a test document, I just taken our sample document, as always. A nice front page with some information. Then the second page I changed to have the table of contents. You see that now there's not a lot of information. And now all the magic comes. So what we have here is two tables inside each other. The first table will be repeated multiple times, and there is a heading, this style, with a numbering. This numbering will have to update for every time the table is repeated. So for every record that I create a new table for, this heading number has to be updated. Then to make it a little bit more interesting, there is also a subtable. So that's this one, and this one will have the same thing. It has a subtitle, a subheading with a numbering that follows the main heading numbering. And also here there can be multiple records, and this entire table will be repeated for every subtitle that I put into the dataset. Okay, how does this dataset look like? This is what I prepared, very easy. So we have a title 1, it says hi title 1. We have a couple of subtitles under title 1. We have a title 2, a title 3, and a couple of subtitles after table 3. So when we put this into our document, we will get 3 repeats of this entire table, and depending on the related record, the heading, a number of repeats of this table, the subtable. When this is done, we of course want our table of contents to be updated, so we will see an update done automatically here. Okay, let's test this. We go to here. I've set up the configuration completely. So there is an opportunity record. This is for the main page to display, so for the front page to display the information. And then there are 2 levels of data sources. So they are related to each other. Level 1 is of course for the outer table, and level 2 is for the repeat of the inner table. These are list data sources. So then the normal configuration, as you would always see in PDF Butler. You have a table. A table is identified by a merge field, and we link it to the data source level 1. A couple of text fields to fill in, and then a subtable identified again and linked to data source 2. Because data source 1 and 2 are related, it will take the information that's related to its parent. Okay, so let's demo it. I've created some testing. So this is the test information, very technical of course, but very easy if you know how to write it. Then you don't have to prepare all your data sets in Salesforce every time. So let's convert it. We wait 1 second. It's already there. So this is our document. Yeah, you see our front page is there. You see it's all, and you see the update already of the table of contents. So this is exactly as I showed you in the Excel, that is high title 1. There are some subtitles. You see that the numbering is put in correctly, and you even see that the page numbers are updated here correctly. So exactly as you would expect it. So there is a marking 1, there is a marking, you have some subsections, there is a marking 2. So in this case I didn't identify that it should start at a new page every time, so it doesn't. And then we have marking 3 and the subtitles under marking 3. So exactly as I expected it to be, and the table of content was nicely updated depending on the document. So thanks for watching.